This short video is to show some functionality of kitchen setups with the most recent updates to campervan layout, and to post a reduced price. Built-in kitchen module offers multifunctional use by providing different sized stainless steel units that are based on iron grill table system made by a company called Snow Peak from Japan. The idea is to use the same components like wire tray, bamboo insert, storage box for kitchen setup inside or outside the campervan to maximize space, enhance functionality, and improve efficiency. Here's what has been done to layout update. Dog's bed has been removed and stock passenger seat is back. Both new folding IKEA mattress and bed extension will provide sleeping space for two. Those changes make this campervan a comfortable home on wheels for a couple. There is a cut down in price which you can find in the description to this video. For a full van tour, please watch the previous video. Thanks to everyone for your time and interest. Have a good day or good night and a good life.